somebody will get angry, okay? Yung mga bitter dyan, sabi na ano nang nangyari sa akin. Don't get angry, I will slap you in the pan. Don't be bitter and don't be like so close-minded. This is for fun purposes.
Last month, I did a vlog about zero transportation and I was carrying 2 boxes. One of the box I carried using my head without holding them. A lot of people asking me why I am very good in balancing and I was carrying the box using my head without holding my hand, and now I want to show you why.
Hello! Welcome back to my channel. This is Witty Bonita. What happened to me now? I don't know. I just woke up an hour ago and I'm preparing something for you guys. Sa mga hindi pa, for all those who don't subscribe yet, you can click the bell button below, the red one, and also you can click the notification bell so that next time you get notified when I have a new video. Please stay tuned. This will be a fun day. I just have so much energy today. Look at me, I'm preparing. This is what happens if you like quarantine for so many weeks, right? You get crazy and you want to dance, you want to sing, you want to cry, you want to smile, you want to laugh, yeah? Stay tuned. This will be a fun video. Delicious. From the ocean. Sailing in the sun. Cover in the shore. When I see them, my heart feels that I love you more than without permission. When I was in high school, I know how to dance this, but now I don't know. I'm wearing some outfit. Delicious. Round the ocean. Para lang po. Okay guys, I'm doing some, I will do some exhibition today. Because when I was vlogging about zero transportation, I was carrying my head, the box na dito. Because it's very heavy, I didn't plan them to carry in my head, but when I was walking, it's very heavy and my hands is very painful, so that's why I carry in my head, and a lot of people wondering I am good in balancing. So for now, I will do some balancing. It's not dancing, it's a balancing. Okay, stay tuned. It is very funny video. Hello, I am going some exhibition. I am doing some exhibition. So, because somebody asking me how I balance my carrying in my head. Okay. I will put some towel. I will carry this. This is a rice. Maybe this is a 2 kilos. Mahulog talaga to, mabasag talaga to siya. Kasi sabi, they asking me why I'm good in balancing. So I will show you, this is a 2 kilos of rice. This is like 2 kilos of rice. It's heavy. So, another. Maybe this rice cooker, I don't know. This is a rice cooker. And there's a rice inside. Mahulog talaga to ngayon. Wait, hindi siya mabalance. Hindi siya balance kasi may rice siya sa loob na hindi balance. So, ito na lang. Itong aliro. Ito na ang magagawa sa quarantine because it's quarantine and we have to do something fun. Para siya mahulog. Para siya mahulog. Hindi siya balance. See, I'm very balancing. This is a pot for soup. What else? Maybe this hot water. Ay, hindi siya mabigat. Nakakatakot. O, diba ang galing ko mag-balance. I'm very good balancer. What else? What else? Ito na lang. Grabe. Please stay tuned. This is for fun only, guys, because we are all bored at our home. We've been locked down for many weeks already, so nothing wrong to have some fun, right? This is a way of exercise also. So this is my exhibition for the quarantine isolation. I just want to show you that I am very good balancer lady because I grew up in the forest and I used to carry sweet potato, woods, vegetables, cassava, everything heavy, water, laundry in the river. So I used to carry them in my head and also in my hands. So growing up like that, when you grow up in the very poor and in the forest, you learn those things. If you in the city girl, you never know how to carry your things in the head. You cannot balance them. So my music is very nice. You cannot hear them. I don't want to upload this music including this because it will copyright. Okay? I will do more. Stay tuned. It's more fun in Witty Bonita channel. Stop crying. Let's have some fun, right? Bakit ka nahuhulog? So what else? Can you suggest me? What else I have to carry? Pearly shell. Okay, I will find something. Okay, this garbage can. This is not easy to carry because it's light. Para siya mahulog! Ang gaan niya! YouTuber ng langgana. This is for fun purposes only. Kids, don't copy this at home. Ano natin? Hindi siya masyadong makita. Please stay tuned. I'm very sweat. It's cut off because the memory is... Look at me. It's all water in my face. Grabe, ang basa niya. Grabe maghanap buhay. Oh, it's so wet. I'm showering with my sweat. It's sweat all over. I will do more. You want me to do more? Okay. Ako lang din sumagot. Magamit ako ng ganito dahil ma-shiny yung hair ko. What else? Ito. Ito na this is the quarantine. What happened to the quarantine? This is what happened to the quarantine. You get crazy, right? Ba't nahuhulog siya? Maganda to kasi malapad. Furniture. I just want to show you guys that you can carry things with your head and you can then do some exercise. I sweat already because this is exercise. Ano pa? Ano pa gusto nyo? What else? The rice cooker. Parang hindi siya mabalance. May rice kasi sa loob. There's a rice inside. Rice. It's not balanced. Naku, mabasag talaga to. Hindi siya balanced. I'm having hard time because the rice is not balanced. What else? Ito na lang. Fan. Sino mag-sponsor ng fan dyan? Anybody want to give me fan? I will model them. Is this the funniest thing you watch? To carry because it's flat and wide. This is for fun purposes only. Nobody will get angry, okay? Yung mga bitter dyan, sabi na ano nang nangyari sa akin. Don't get angry. I will slap you in the pan. Don't be bitter and don't be like so close-minded. This is for fun purposes and for entertainment so that everybody will get to my... Well, now, it's poverty going on. It's crisis. We need to smile, right? What else? What else you want? Naubos ko na lahat eh. Ito na lang. This is a can. school. You didn't hear them. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong when you're dancing, okay? Don't be close-minded to the people who is close-minded. What else? Ito, ulitin ko na lang to. I will do this again. Rice. Maybe it's 2 kilos. It's heavy. Maganda ang heavy. Mas maano siya. Let's go dancing! Oh yeah! This is exercise. Don't be dirty. Check your body. This is easy. When it's heavy, it's easy. O, diba? Judge me. Comment below if you want to see more of it. So, I'm a great balancer. I not only have a pretty face, but I have some skills. Tuhulog talaga to, bigas to. Nabaliw na. Thank you for watching, guys. Sinisan ako. Sobra. This is it. Tama na. Tama na kalokohan. It's very hot. If you can feel me, it's like one gallon of sweat. Oh. Look at my face. It's watering. Hanap buhay. Please like, subscribe, tip and share. If you enjoy it and you think it's hilarious, you can share to everybody because everybody is sad now and everybody like emotionally down, and we need sometimes to smile and laugh so that all our burden and suffering will disappear, right? It's okay to be sad and cry. I cry. I've been sad too. So it's okay to laugh and smile also. Nothing wrong with this and nothing wrong with dancing and like trying to entertain some other people. So you can feel better at home, right? Mga bitter person, don't judge with its cover. Please share, like, subscribe. This is Witty Bonita. Your funny, witty one.